Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to find and replace words in Excel. While compiling data, you can by mistake or by any other mean, you can write words which later you want to replace them by correct one. For example, here we have a table in which sex is written by mentioning man and woman, and we want to replace it by male and female. So we will go in home tab, and here you can see find, click on it, and you can see here second option replace. Click on replace option. Here you can see two options. First is find word. It means what do you want to find. Here I will write man, and replace with mean what the word you want to replace with man. So I want to replace this by male, and then go and click on replace all. You can see it has changed man whether it is written separately or with woman. So this is incorrect. So I will first of all undo this, and then I will go in find all. Click on this, and here you can see I am expanding this. Here you can see man and woman both it has find. So I will click on value, and the list is created. So I will select only man with control plus shift, and now I will click on replace all, and you can see it has replaced only where man was written. Now I want to replace woman with female. So I will close this and again go in control find and replace, and now I will change find word with woman and male with female. So I will click on replace all, and you can see it has replaced all the women with female. So this is how you can find and replace words in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.